Alright y'all, we got a little Freightliner, business class, M2, service truck. Got an ISB 6.7 Cummins, 220 horsepower turbo diesel. Allison 2200 RDS automatic transmission. Got the extended cab. Got some leg room in there, y'all. IMT 3820, 7,500 pound max lift capacity crane. Miller BOBCAT 225. Welder. Boss hydraulic air compressor. Automatic greasing system. Got a fuel cell in the bed. Cold air, power windows, power lock, cruise control, good steer tires. Y'all were fixing to put some brand new drive tires on it. Truck has had the regen removed. Nice job box up there. Some of these cabinets have drawers, y'all. Seats, air ride seat. $261,000 miles. 15,400 hours. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna work the crane a little bit, turn on the air compressor. If y'all would like to come check this truck out, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website. 13601 Highway 45 North Finger, Tennessee is our address. As always, we thank y'all for watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.